Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody contacted me via email and asked how they could make a checkered flag. They're making something and they want it to look like it's flowing in the wind. Well, I'm not very artistic on that part, but this is how I would do it. Grab your graph paper, and I don't know how many checkers are on a checker, but with your graph paper and holding down well, you don't have to hold down the control button. We can make it elongated if we want. And there you have a graph, and it's 10 by 10, so we're just going to fill in every other checker. This is pretty easy and pretty fun, and you'll actually find out if you have any artistic ability when we start making it look like it's flowing in the wind. And there's actually probably a quicker way to do this, but it doesn't take just a second. As long as you can probably do it a lot quicker than I'm doing, trying to talk and watch the screen, but we're almost done. Now, probably the most important part of this is to group all this together, Control G. And then I would always test to make sure it's grouped together. I'd go ahead and give it maybe a black outline, and you could play around with that. But now that it's a group, you can use the envelope tool. And we need a couple more anchor nodes, so let's double click on that, go through here, select those, double click on that, and then just kind of think about, you need to do the opposite, and you don't have to do anything perfect, but if you're going to do the top, you need to do the bottom. If you're going to do this, you need to come down with this. And this is, like I said, I don't have any artistic ability in doing that, but you don't have to go straight up and down. You know, you can make them to your heart's content. I mean, you can have it completely different, and that doesn't look too good, but you don't want that sharp a turn. But there's a lot you could do with this. You could scrunch it in more, go back to the envelope tool, and you wouldn't want to do this side, but you could maybe bring in this side a little bit and you know, play with that. That's how I would do it. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.